Okay, good. So we here just get this DeWalt Pole Saw. Good. So now we are set it up and I'll leave her, how she run it. So my first impression of this product, it looks well crafted, it looks durable. These poles look, like a good width. Seem like decent quality. I had to pull out my own chain saw lubricant because it didn't come with any. I chose to purchase this DeWalt set because I already have different DeWalt products. So I have batteries for DeWalt already. So I said, let me just stick to the brand I have already. So by the tool only, as you can see, the back says tool only. And yeah, like I said, I already have batteries fully charged. And I pull out my chainsaw lubricant. So about to set this up and see what it's saying. Assembly is easy as well. As you could see, it has these arrows here. So you just gotta line up the arrows and then screw this over. Okay. Now I have it assembled. Like I said, it was easy. All I do was join the pieces and screw it so it could be tightened. And it holding snug. One thing I'd say, the top is heavy. So I could imagine like when you're sending it up, like you're gonna really have some weight because of the chainsaw head. Chainsaw head is kind of heavy on it, so I already envisioned that. But other than that, all in all, so far I like the unit. I like the product, well crafted. I like the safety design. So you have to like press this down and then you could pull the trigger. So they have like a safety. You can't pull the trigger unless you press this down. And yeah, I like this little rubber handle too. Nice and soft rubber. But see, that would be a little comforting. But yeah, all in all, she look good. Plug in the battery, put it to the test. Okay, yeah, I forgot to mention as well. I open here and I fill it with some of the bar oil, chainsaw lubricant oil. But empty. But empty. So chainsaw lubricant oil. Fill the tank. And now she's ready to go. Okay, good. So, put in a works. Yeah. See? All of there chop off. Yeah. All on the next side. Yeah. And all this is what she do. Yeah. Gotta clean up here still. But yeah, she walking.